back to my channel. So sorry again, I know I keep apologizing, but I haven't had much content up lately. I've just been a little bit exhausted, but we are now 18 weeks pregnant and I am so excited. We've got, I think it's 8 or 9 sleeps now till we go and get our gender scan done, so I cannot wait to find out if little Button's a boy or a girl. So yeah, just had lots going on, but today I really felt like chatting to you guys and sitting down and filming. So I'm not 100% sure what I feel like doing today. I definitely feel like doing something a little bit dramatic, so we'll see how it all pans out. But if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up so I know it's something that you're into. And if you do enjoy my videos and want to keep up to date with everything, please hit the subscribe button down below. I would appreciate it so much. And I really want to do a giveaway when we hit 100 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe so you're entered into that competition. So I thought for today, because I'm not trying any new products, I'm just gonna create a bit of a look and see where it goes. I thought I won't bore you with all my babble through the whole video. We'll just put some nice music on and I will speed bits up and slow things down and zoom in when I need to. So yeah, I'm also testing out because obviously I don't have a camera, I'm still using a phone, but I've just upgraded to the Samsung S9 Plus. So I'm just seeing how it all films today, how it pans out, and if it's good, fingers crossed. But yeah, so I'll chuck some music on, so sit back, relax, grab a snack or grab your makeup and we can do this together. And I'll show you everything I'm using and I'll link all the details down below. But I hope you're all having an amazing week and I will talk to you soon.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. my heart afire. Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.